Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we have another numerical problem which is based on dimension analysis. And the numerical problem is the pressure of a liquid column depends upon number one, it depends upon the density. Number second, it depends upon the acceleration due to gravity. And number third, it depends upon the height of the liquid column. So we have to establish a relationship among these physical quantities. So we can write here the pressure which is denoted by P that is directly proportional, or we can say that depends upon the density. Now the density that is denoted by rho, and acceleration due to gravity, this acceleration due to gravity, it's denoted by small g. It also depends upon the height of the liquid column, so which is denoted by h. So we can write here, so this P is directly proportional to number one, it depends upon the rho, number second, it depends upon acceleration due to gravity, and number third, it depends upon the height of the liquid column. So here we can write this pressure P that is equal to, so we write here K rho G H. Now I will write here A, B and C, or we can write in this way. So P is equal to K or rho raised to power A, acceleration due to gravity raised to power B, and height raised to power C. Where this K, where this K, where K, that is the numerical constant, numerical constant. So that is the numerical constant. So we have A, B and C, or the dimensions of, or the dimensions of density, acceleration due to gravity, and height h, height h. अब हमें क्या करना है, we have to establish a relation, हमें relationship निकालनी है among these physical quantities. So first of all, we will write the dimensions of each physical quantity which is involved in this physical relation. So we have to find the dimensions of pressure, we have to find the dimensions of density, we have to find the dimension of acceleration due to gravity, and we have to find the dimensions of height. Now, but first we will write the dimensions of pressure. So dimensions of pressure, pressure. We know that pressure P that is equal to force per unit area, force per unit area. So we'll write the dimensions of force. So dimensions of force are m1 l1 t raised to power minus 2 divided by area. So area means length into breadth, so we can write it as l square, l square. So dimensions are written in between the rectangular brackets. So we can write here, so dimensions of pressure that is equal to, so here it will be m1, so this will be l raised to power 1, and this will be l raised to power minus 2 t raised to power minus 2, or we can write dimensions of pressure that is equal to dimensions of pressure so it will be m1, so this will be l raised to power minus 1, l raised to power uh, minus 1, and t raised to power minus 2. तो ये dimensions of pressure है. Now second term is we have density, dimensions of density. So dimensions of density, dimensions of density. तो हमें हर एक फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की डायमेंशंस लिखने हैं यहाँ पर. So dimensions of density, we know that density which is denoted by rho, that is equal to mass per unit volume. So that will be, mass is represented by m divided by volume. So volume means, it means l cube, so that will be equal to, so mass is present by one time, so we will write here m1 l raised to power minus 3 and t raised to power, so time is not present here, so t raised to power 0, t raised to power 0. So this is the dimensions of density, Now we have another quantity, that's acceleration due to gravity. So dimensions of g, dimensions of acceleration due to gravity. So that is, so we know that acceleration due to gravity, that means velocity divided by time, or we can write it as L divided by t square. So that is equal to, so mass is absent here, so I will write here m naught L1 t raised to power minus 2, t raised to power minus 2. So ये तो dimensions of acceleration due to gravity है. Then we have another quantity, so dimensions of height. I'll write here, so height is denoted by h, that is equal to, so mass is absent here, so m naught, and so basically height means length, so I will write here L1, so time is not present here, so I will write t naught. Now we have the relation. The relation is now, so the relation is pressure of a liquid column, that is equal to k times, where k is the numerical constant, rho raised to power a, acceleration due to gravity raised to power b, and height raised to power c, where a, b, and c, they are the dimensions of density, acceleration due to gravity, and height of the liquid column. So I will write the dimensions of each physical quantity. So here the dimensions of pressure, that is m1 L raised to power minus 1, T raised to power minus 2. So they are the dimensions of pressure, is equal to, now we have numerical constant, then we have the dimensions of density. So I already calculated the dimensions of density. So dimensions of density, that is m raised to power 1, L raised to power minus 3, T naught whole raised to power a. Then we have acceleration due to gravity. So dimensions of acceleration due to gravity, they are acceleration due to gravity. So I'll write here m naught L1 t raised to power minus 2, so raised to power b. Then we have height means m naught L1 t naught raised to power c, So I will write here m1 L raised to power minus 1 t raised to power minus 2 is equal to k times. Now we have, so here mass raised to power 1, mass is present by one time, here it's absent, now here it's absent. So bases are same, powers को हम ऐड करते हैं, so here it will be, so this will be equal to m raised to power or so we can write in this way. So this will be equal to, so first of all, तो यहाँ पर a है, raised power a है, तो पहले हम यही सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, यहाँ पर यही सॉल्व करेंगे, यही स्टेप सॉल्व करेंगे. So this will be m raised to power a, L raised to power, so this will be equal to minus 3a t raised to power, so a into 0, so that will be equal to 0. Then we have here b, so this will be equal to m raised to power 0 into b, so L raised to power b and t raised to power minus 2b. Then here we have, so this will be equal to m raised to power 0, L raised to power c, t raised to power 0. So here we have, the next step is m raised to power, so this will be m raised to power 1, L raised to power minus 1, and t raised to power minus 2 is equal to, so k times, here k times, I will, so this is k times m raised to power a, so here we have m raised to power a, so here it is m raised to power a, here m raised to power 0, here m raised to power 0, so it will be m raised to power a, so I will write here m raised to power a, so this is m raised to power a. Then we have another term, length, so L raised to power, here it is L raised to power minus 3a, यहाँ पर L raised to power b है और यहाँ पर L raised to power c है, so it means it will be L raised to power minus 3a minus 3a plus b plus c. So L raised to power, so this will be L raised to power minus 3a plus b plus c. Then we have another term here. So next term, so we have t raised to power 0. Here it's t raised to power 0, t raised to power minus 2b, t raised to power 0. So it will be t raised to power minus 2b. So t raised to power minus 2b. So t raised to power minus 2b. T raised to power minus 2b. Now we will equate the dimensions of both sides. So we write here equating dimensions on both sides. So we'll equate dimensions on both sides. Equating the dimensions of both sides. So here, mass raised to power 1. So dimensions of mass. So that I'll write here 1. So here, so that is equal to, so dimensions of mass on RHS side, that's A, or we can write here A, that is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Then the dimensions of length. So here it is L raised to power minus 1. So it will be minus 1 is equal to. So dimensions of length here. So that's equal to minus 3a plus b plus c. Plus b plus c. Or we can write here minus 1 is equal to minus 3 into 1 plus b plus c. So minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus b plus c. Or we can write here minus 1. So this will be plus 3 is equal to b plus c. Or we can write here, so this will be equal to 2 is equal to b plus c. Or b plus c is equal to 2. B plus c is equal to 2. So we have another relation. Then the dimensions of time. So therefore dimensions of time minus 2 is equal to minus 2b. So this or this will cancel to each other. This will be cancelled to each other. Or we can write here b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1. So we'll substitute the value of b in this equation. If it's equation first, this is equation second, and this is equation third. So we'll substitute the value of, put the value of b in equation second. So equation second, that's b plus c is equal to 2. Or we can write here what's b. So b is 1 plus c is equal to, so that is equal to 2. Or c is equal to 2 minus 1. So c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Now we'll substitute these values, value of a, value of b, in this equation. So this is equation a. इस इक्वेशन में हम वैल्यू ऑफ ए, वैल्यू ऑफ बी एंड वैल्यू ऑफ सी सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. सो विल गेट द रिलेशन. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ put the value of a, b and c in equation a. So the equation A is pressure is equal to K times rho raised to power A, acceleration due to gravity raised to power G, H raised to power C. So we can write P is equal to K times rho, acceleration due to gravity, because A is equal to A is 1. So here A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. So I will write here rho G H. So this is the relationship among various physical quantities.